Very friendly atmosphere, lots of colleagues that I know. Probably the most impressive thing today was the guest note speaker. It was really impressive, the 3D technology that he discussed, and was truly cutting edge science.
This is a great time though, to be learning about science and engineering principles, because we're living in an era now where the dots have been reconnected, where science, engineering and the ability to make things has all been reconnected again. We have a slide which I love showing. It's, we're putting the ability to create back in the hands of the creative, but learn those science and engineering principles. That's what gives us the ability to create things that work.
One of the really exciting things about being a scientist is getting to talk to members of the community, and it's particularly exciting to talk to teachers because they're the people who are inspiring our next generation of researchers. The PhD students that I have in the future will be inspired by the teachers that I was talking to today.